Vanakkam, welcome to Brandix Batticaloa. Brandix is located in Batticaloa, Sri Lanka. The climate in Batticaloa, Sri Lanka also classified as tropical rainforest climate with no true distinct season. Owing to its geographical location and maritime exposure, its climate is characterized by uniform temperature and pressure, high humidity and abundant rainfall. In Batticaloa, the dry season is windy and is hot, oppressive and overcast over the course of the year. The temperature typically varies from 24 degrees Celsius to 34 degrees Celsius, while there's a rainy season from October to February. In the rest of the year, the rains are quite rare. As we mentioned, Brandix, also known as the Brandix Apparel Limited, is an apparel manufacturer headquarters in Sri Lanka. It is considered to be the leading apparel manufacturing firm in the country. The company has branches in India, Bangladesh, and the United States. It was founded in the year of 1969, 53 years ago in Colombo, Sri Lanka by M.H. Omar with the assistance of Martin Truss, an American who is regarded as the father of the modern apparel industry in Sri Lanka. Other than that, Brandix has also achieved in many accomplishments and have been rewarded with certification along the year, such as the world's first LEED Platinum certification in the year of 2008, Sri Lanka's highest, or can be mentioned as the world's second highest rated LEED Platinum certification in the year of 2018, and the world's first apparel manufacturing facility to receive Net Zero certification in the year of 2019. Now, moving on to the energy saving strategies. This would include facade design, lighting, HVAC, renewable energy, and mainly waste management system. Firstly, on facade design of Brandix factory. They utilize passive strategies like solar skylights, east-west building orientation, and double-glazed e-clear glass to save on the overall energy consumption. Brandix factory also has solar panels that provide 100% of energy used. Moving on, the lighting system. Brandix factory is designed with 100% of LED lights indoors that save 50% of energy consumed compared to traditional lighting methods such as gas and light bulb. They also utilize solar tubing for natural sunlight, saving energy on artificial lighting when needed. Next, the HVAC system has a built-in management system that monitors the daily energy consumption. The HVAC system also uses efficient compressed air system to minimize energy loss. Lastly, this system in Brandix factory has helped to reduce 31,000 tons of greenhouse gases over the past 20 years. For the renewable energy system, solar energy is used for natural lighting through solar tubes on ceiling. A rooftop solar PV supplies 2,975 MWh annually. There is also a solar hot water system providing hot water for various users around the factory.
Now, moving on to waste management, Brandix factory itself is designed to reduce as much waste as possible, therefore reducing total energy needed for processing waste. They are also certified the world's first Net Zero energy building and LEED Platinum. Firstly, the reuse of waste threads from manufacturing. Waste threads are collected and bundled. They then go through a processing machine to be turned into yarns. The yarns are then turned into cylinders of new threads and stored for future use. Whenever a new fashion season requires, the threads are then reused again to manufacture new clothing. Nextly, for waste collection and storage, most wastes are reused to minimize energy consumption, but unreusable wastes are then sent to external recycling plants to begin recycling and processed into other new products, reducing energy use on landfills and new materials, and pushing towards a more sustainable future altogether. Thirdly, for the water treatment system of Brandix factory, they utilize rainwater harvesting and they have an in-house water purification plant ready to turn rainwater into drinkable, fresh water for all workers and associates. As for the wastewater treatment, sewage from the factory is sent to the in-house treatment plant to be recycled back as irrigation and flushing water, saving energy requirements for external processing and treatment. The processed wastewater are mixed with harvested rainwater and stored in the pond located at the back end of the factory site, providing biodiversity while saving overall energy consumption of the factory. Other than the water strategies, the factory also deals with food waste composting and has an in-house compost that composts food waste into fertilizers for workers to bring home to their own gardens, growing their own food. The remaining fertilizers are then spread across site to maintain the lush greenery that surrounds the factory, giving back nature its resources, saving costs on fertilizer and energy on shading. Last of all would be the efficient water fittings of Brandix factory that saves up to 60% of all the water used on site. These water fittings themselves are LEED Platinum certified and are recommended to sustainable projects. The more water is saved, the lesser energy used on the treatment process of water. Now, in conclusion, overall Brandix factory is a truly revolutionary factory building, first of its kind. They managed to combine building services, building design, and automatic systems to create a LEED certified platinum manufacturing factory that is net zero energy. The most impressive part of Brandix factory is the amount of thought that went into designing the sustainable and energy-saving strategies and systems that is integrated together with the factory building design itself, making the building look like any other normal factory, but Brandix factory is by no means normal. It is the world's first net zero factory building. Utilizing natural site conditions, in-house facilities, smart strategies and systems, Brandix factory is able to be net zero energy, saving whatever energy that can be saved around all activities in the factory, including its manufacturing processes, making it truly one of a kind. And that will be the end of our showcase on Brandix factory Batticaloa. Thanks for tuning in.